Hello and welcome to WindyCityWebcast.tv. I'm Merissa Marks with the latest in health news. Despite recent heightened awareness about its many negative effects on health, people still reach for a soda daily for a jolt of caffeine and sugary satisfaction. Caffeine can be highly addictive and habit-forming, and many Americans are weary of cutting it out cold turkey. Here are 5 tips for kicking your soda habit for good. Drink more water, seek support, choose healthier caffeinated beverages, stay occupied, and isolate yourself from the source of your addiction. The first non-hormonal drug to treat hot flashes won approval from the FDA, offering a new alternative to menopausal women. The move was surprising because an advisory committee to the FDA voted 10-4 in March against the approval. While the FDA does not have to follow the recommendations of its advisory panels, it is highly unusual for it to approve a drug that receives a strong negative vote. The treatment, which will be called Brisdell, was developed by Novin Pharmaceuticals. The agency did not explain why it went against the panel's recommendation, saying only that it viewed Brisdell as a useful treatment that had met its goals in clinical trials. The prices may look tempting, but ordering from an online pharmacy is often a bad deal. According to Interpol and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the FDA said it had shut down 1,677 sites for selling counterfeit and substandard medication, or for selling drugs without appropriate safeguards. Several sites had clever addresses and names that could easily be confused with legitimate pharmacy retailers. For example, a website, Walgreens-store.com, was confused with the well-known drugstore chain website, which is actually Walgreens.com. It is difficult to know the scope of the online pharmacy problem, but it is being maintained. Childbirth in the United States is uniquely expensive. Maternity and newborn care constitute the single biggest category of hospital payouts for most commercial insurers and state Medicaid programs. The cumulative cost of approximately 4 million annual births is well over $50 billion. And though maternity care costs far less in other developed countries than it does in the United States, studies show that their citizens do not have less access to care or to high-tech care during pregnancies than Americans. Women with insurance pay out of pocket an average of $3,400. If you are healthy and go to bed late regularly and you do not sleep enough, your risk of gaining weight is significantly greater than if you go to bed early and have a good night's sleep every night, says a new study published in the Journal of Sleep. If you also eat late at night, you will probably put on more weight, researchers from the University of Pennsylvania have added. In fact, they say that it is the extra eating among sleep-deprived individuals that appears to be the main reason for the weight gain. So be sure to include proper sleep into your daily routine. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to check us out on Twitter and friend us on Facebook. I'm Merissa Marks for WindyCityWebcast.tv.